Hello, I am Boris Gitolendia, Associated Professor from Georgian Technical University, and today I would like to talk about the transportation system in Georgia and its intermodality. Let's start. Because of very specific location of Georgia, transport and its related infrastructure plays a huge role in the country's economical development. In Georgia exist all kinds of transport: road transport, railway transport, air transport, pipelines, and maritime transport. This variety of the transport modes is a key factor in intermodality. Intermodality refers to a journey that involves two or more modes of transport. That's why intermodality is a core factor to use the full potential of Georgian transport system. Thank you.